We have some really lovely fabrics and I'm excited to share them. We start off with Sally LaPointe. And this is like, you just gotta feel this fabric. I know you can't, but it's amazing. It's a stretch woven, but it has so much give and so much body and such great drape. It's a blend, it's a viscose poly. The texture you can see is stunning. You know, you could use the matte side. It's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. Sally LaPointe. Very pretty. Then really pairing with it, and I think all these go, although we go from high-end to pickleball here in a minute, I'll show you. But anyway, this is 100% viscose. The drape, the feel on this is incredible. Has stretch in both directions. Just a beautiful piece of fabric. Just lovely. Just so pretty, and it just blends so pretty. These colors, kind of these salmon colors, are just really beautiful. This is a 100% cotton. It's a woven stripe. It's shirting. Make a great shirt because both sides are usable. Make great anything, to be honest. But I just love the colors in it. This is, I wish you could feel this. This is 100% cotton. But it has a, it's a one-way stretch woven. It's magnificent. I mean, it's just so soft. It just feels like it's like a velvet, but it's, you know, I mean, clearly it's not. But anyway, again, lovely piece of fabric. And this is for all our pickleball players. It has pickleball. Pickleball is life. Pickleball, just fun. Pickleball is life. This is a real lightweight scuba. It's a poly. It's meant to be both a sunscreen you know, the SPF fabric as well as a wick away. And it's really beautiful. Stretch in both directions, great drape. And I put this with it because they came in together. Same designer. And same thing. Stretch in both directions, like a lightweight scuba, but meant to have SPF as well as wick away properties. So those are just fun fabrics, but the same coloration, so I put them all together. So the goal is no matter what you're doing, playing pickleball or going to a black tie or somewhere in between, we have beautiful fabrics. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.